This crap. We're gonna be freaking riding it, man. Alright, so step 1, mini BMX bike. Step 2, 2 skateboards. Step 3, MGB Pro scooter. Step 4, basketball.
Always remember, safety first.
Oh yeah, buddy. So, first we're gonna start off with a scooter. Let's ride. Alright. Starting off, we're gonna be riding the scooter. Can you ride this? Heck to the yeah, I can, buddy. Woo! Can he ride this? Yes, he can. Next one is the Bach. Woo! Rock on. This kid. Can I ride this? Yeah, I can. Woo! Next is the 2 skateboard. Next is the skateboard. Royce coming up. Ooh, he can ride that. Longest shot in the world. Boom! Alright. Scooter grind. Don't know what it's called. Nice. Scooter grind. Royce. Mini BMX back peg grind. Coming in hot. Yeah. Royce doing the double peg on a mini BMX bike. Oh yeah. That was a feeble, man. Royce board slide.